The Continuing Education tab in the Certification portal is used by renewal applicants for uploading all of your CE course certificates and any other corresponding documentation that pertains to your certification renewal. This includes both Category 1 and Category 2 CEs. NRPP professionals holding one certification, either measurement or mitigation, must have a total of 16 credit hours. Those holding dual certifications, measurement and mitigation, must have a total of 24 credit hours each renewal period. No more than 8 Category 2 credits can be used, and the balance must be Category 1 credits. You will see here, above the box, a total number of credits needed for your recertification. As you upload your CEs, the number here in the red circle will increase. You will want to meet this total number before this portion of your renewal can be complete. Each CE that gets uploaded will show here, which includes the date you attended the course, the number of total credits awarded, the course ID, and the course name. To begin uploading, please click on Upload Continuing Education Certificates. You will then see a box where you can choose all of the course information from the drop-down menus. The first one is selecting Continuing Education Type. Click the drop-down arrow and choose either Category 1. This will be selected if the certificate was obtained by taking an NRPP-approved continuing education course, or choose Category 2. One of these will be selected if it is anything other than a CE course, such as educational programs, radon conference attendance, and/or public outreach efforts that you are wanting credit for. The second part is where you will select your course provider from the drop-down menu. Next, you will need to select the course ID, which can be found printed on your course certificate that you received from your course provider. Enter the date that you completed the course, then lastly, click Choose File to upload a copy of the certificate and/or the CE document from your computer. Click Upload, and then OK. As you upload each of your certificates, you will see them being added to the list above. In the credit column, it will say Pending, which indicates that we have received your documentation and it is in the process of being verified and approved. Please only upload one copy of each, as uploading multiple copies will delay the approval process. Once we have approved your CE documents, the credit hours will show in the credit column, and if you have met the required number of credits needed for your renewal period, then you will have a blue check mark beside the continuing education credits and documentation on your certification checklist.